What up guys, in this tutorial I'm gonna teach you guys how to use the CapCut AI video maker. Now I have a link to it in the description below so you guys can have access to it, and don't wanna waste you guys time. Let's just get right into it. So the first thing, you're gonna arrive at the CapCut website, and on the home, once you've signed up, it's very easy. If you have a Google account, it goes directly. You're gonna see this right here. It says you may want to try, so you can click on free AI video maker. Now if you don't see this on the dashboard, another thing you can do is you can click on all tools, and you're gonna see it right here. It's a new tool by CapCut. You're just gonna click on free AI video maker. So just click on it, and now it has 4 options here. So the main ones we're gonna be focusing on are going to be the instant AI video maker, brainstorm with AI, and avatar video. So let's just get right into it. So for the instant AI video maker, you need to enter a script and select a style to generate a video with stunning images. Now I need a script. So in order for me to get this script, I'll have to brainstorm with AI. So I'm just going to click on brainstorm with AI. And now you're going to enter your idea here. For example, how gravity works, how evolution, but that's the evolution, right? Evolution took place from abiogenesis to now. And I'm just gonna click on this, and it's gonna give me an idea. So the incredible journey from life's origin to modern evolution, are revealing the mystery how life emerged from a beast. So I'm just gonna, let's see, pick key points or enter your own. So I'm just gonna see the incredible journey, and you can always explore. Let's just see, I'm not gonna click on explore with this one, the incredible journey. Theories explain life origins including abiogenesis and panspermia. I'm not about to do all this. I just want one that I can just copy. So I'm just gonna click on pick and generate script. So the incredible journey, so I'm just gonna click generate script, and you can have it depends on how many minutes you want the video to be. Did I just I did the those 6 7 but 1 minute, 3 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes. Fam, I don't want you guys to sit down here watching the whole 3-minute video with me. So I'm just gonna click on 1 minute. I'm just gonna click on generate. So you can say example, add more data and examples, and use a casual engaging tone. I'll say use a casual engaging tone. Use a casual engaging tone, and tip and generate. So right now it's creating the script. Okay, so it has it right here. So it says, yay, everyone ever look around and wonder how life began. Beautiful. Hit that subscribe button. So this is it right here, and I'm just gonna copy it so I can use it. Now you can click on here, create, and then directly use it, or you will just go back and just use and go to the AI video maker and do it from over there. So we have this right here. So I'm gonna copy them one by one and then use them. So let's just go. I'm gonna go back over here, and I'm just gonna click on instant AI video right here. Now you have 2 options. You have 16 by 9 or 9 by 16. A lot of people will typically go 9 by 16, so 9 by 16. And then I'm gonna enter my topic, right? So you can either generate script or enter script. I'm just gonna enter script. So I'm gonna enter and paste my script in here. So I'm just copying and pasting them one by one. And that's it. Now you have different voiceovers you can choose. There's the default one that they typically give you is called Lady Holiday. So I'm just gonna go with Cheeky Commentator, and then you get to choose the style. You can have it as realistic film, cartoon, 3D, movie, photograph, whimsical. You have many more options. Biblical, fluffy, 3D, futuristic. For something like evolution, I'm just gonna click on futuristic, and then I'm just gonna click on create. So it's gonna take 1 minute, and after that, it's gonna be ready. So the video is ready. Now let's play it to listen to it.
Hey everyone! Ever look around and wonder how it all began? I'm not just talking about your day, but everything. The whole wild, wonderful story of life on Earth. It's a journey that stretches back almost 4 billion years, starting with tiny, simple sparks in the primordial soup from single-celled organisms. Life exploded into a dizzying array of forms. Think giant dinosaurs ruling the land and bizarre creatures swimming in ancient seas. Then, things got really interesting. The rise of mammals, the dawn of humanity, and the incredible journey to where we are today. Evolution isn't just something in a textbook. It's a living, breathing process that's still happening all around us and even inside us. It's the ultimate story of survival, adaptation, and change. Want to dive deeper into this incredible journey? Hit that subscribe button and join me as we explore the greatest story ever told. See you in the next video.
So you guys just saw it, you guys watched it, and you guys can see what it is capable of doing. So make sure you guys try out the CapCut free AI video maker. As you guys can see, I just created a whole 1-minute video giving the script that it generated, and it was able to create the entire graphics for me and also give me a voiceover with it. So that's the beauty about using CapCut. Now let's try out the last one, which is gonna be the AI avatar maker. Now right here it says avatar video, so once you click on it, you'll be able to create your avatar. So it says 5 free uses for a limited time. So I'm just gonna click anyone that I like, and let me just click on Star Author. And if you scroll, you can generate script or you can enter a script. So I'm just gonna say, and it says enter your topic here and we'll turn it to a script. I'll just say let's see, planting trees, and you can generate script here or you can enter a script. And I'm just gonna click on create. So it's gonna take pretty much 1 minute. It says 3 minutes, but it's gonna take 1 minute, and it's gonna be able to prepare it for us. Alright, so I was able to create a 58-second video for us. I'm not gonna play the whole video, but I'm gonna play a good amount of it, and then you just get to see the AI video avatar. So you have an avatar that pretty much speaks, so it's like a talking head, but obviously it's an AI talking head. And let me just play the video.
Ever feel like you want to make a real difference for our planet, but don't know where to start? Well, I've got a super simple, yet incredibly powerful idea for you. Planting a tree. It might sound small, but trust me, it's a huge deal. Planting just one tree can help clean the air we breathe, provide a home for wildlife, and even help cool our neighborhoods.
And so I was just able to create an AI avatar by giving it a simple text. I didn't give it a huge prompt, just a simple text, planting a tree, and it was able to script out the entire thing for me and create the AI avatar, add the voice, and also add captions. So make sure you guys go try out CapCut free AI video maker, and hopefully you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and make sure you guys hit that like button for me. I really appreciate it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'm gonna catch you guys next week.